Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming at you with a new video. I decided to do this one a little different. I wanted to do a peachy look that I said I was going to do in my last video, but it turned out not being peachy at all. I decided to just stick to my word and do a peachy look in this video. This video is not going to be a talk-through video at all. Once again, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. You guys do not understand how subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and all of that interaction helps my content. I really do appreciate all of you who are subscribed to my channel and watch my videos. I really appreciate it so much. And if you guys like this video, also give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I love my body. I love my skin. guys, so that's the finished look. I hope that you all really enjoyed it. I really had a lot of fun doing this look. I love the way it came out. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you guys are not already following me on all my social media platforms, they will be linked down below in the description bar. If you guys don't know where the description bar, it is right below the video. And also, I will link all of the products used in this video. Make sure you guys like this video. Let me know in the comment section what you think. As always, thank you guys so much for all of the love and